So this week we're going to build a balance bird with a 4-foot wingspan made out of 1/2-inch PVC, white and black combination, and hopefully it works. Last week we built a 3D puzzle kit of a Spinosaurus Rex, which we also enlarged to be about 6 feet wide, and we stayed here till about almost midnight to get it accomplished.
Not cool, Easton. What's the number?
Lower that.
Yeah, to give it more.
It's gonna mess with the balance though.
Think? Enough?
Yeah, well, I don't know.
Probably should
I wouldn't.
fuss with it. Well, let's
You
just
can always add something to it.
add support.
Yeah.
Right now it's less than 2 inches deep. Put the head on. That head, why didn't I print? It did print. That head
Oh,
has a lot of torque on it.
oh. Everything's supported by the head.
I don't see any reason that couldn't go further back. So here's the pieces of the bird that we had already taken into Composer, which simply allows us to prepare it for ArtPath, which ArtPath will allow it to go to the router. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
Okay. Now in ArtPath, we're going to select our shapes and tell those shapes how to be cut. And by that, I mean we're going to tell it which bit we want to use, how deep we want to go, how fast we want to go, at what RPMs.
And whether we're inside or outside of the line.
Yeah, so there's a female or a male cut. You can cut inside or outside, and that is going to be critical for the piece that we're doing since we want these slots to slide together. Which is what we finds its furthest point left and furthest point back to the table over here. And when those motors hit their stops, the machine knows where it's at. Call that home position. So we're going to go to our automatic tool changer. Right here. We want to pick up, so we're going to hit B. Pick up tool. And we want number 5, so you increase. Right now it's number 1. Increase.
2 hours later.
Easton, what are you doing?
I'm taking off all the stuff. I don't know what exactly it is.
Keep in mind, you got
Oh, and it ended just right. Oh. That's actually pretty cool. I can't wait to see this video.